Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to solve this question and we have a square root iota and we find the value of this. And we know that this iota is a complex number. So in the first step, we let that this square root iota is equal to a plus b iota. Now to remove this square root, we take a square on both sides of this equation. So we take a square on this side and also take a square on this side. So this square and square root will cancel. So this is a just iota which is equal to a plus b iota whole square. And in the next step, we expand right hand side. So this will become a square plus b square plus 2 times product of a and b. And the left hand side is a iota. Now we solve the left hand side. So this is a square plus this term will become a b square and iota square, and this will become a plus 2 times product of ab iota. And we know that iota square this is equal to minus 1, so we replace this iota square by minus 1 and we copy the remaining values. So the iota is equal to a square plus b square, and we write this iota which is equal to minus 1 plus 2 times product of a, b and iota. Now we write this as a square minus b square, and this is a plus 2 times product of a, b iota, and left hand side is a just iota. Now we write this iota as a 0 plus 1 iota. We copy the right hand side which is a square minus b square plus 2 times product of a, b iota. Now in the next step we separate a real and imaginary part. So look at the left hand side, the real part is a 0. So here we write a 0. And in this side, the real part is a square minus b square. So here we write a square minus b square. We call this the equation number 1. Now we compare the imaginary parts. So left hand side, we have a just 1. And on right hand side, we have a 2 times ab. We call this is the equation number 2. Now look at the equation number 2. We divide this equation 2 by 2 times a on both sides. So we have a 1 over 2a which is equal to 2ab. Divide this side by 2a. Then this 2 and 2 cancel. This a and a cancel. We just get a b which is equal to 1 over 2 times a. We call this is equation number 3. Now look at the equation number 1. Equation number 1, 0 is equals to a square and minus b square, and b is equal to 1 over 2a. So we write a square because we have a b square. Now this is a square minus this will become a 1 over 4a square which is equal to 0. Now we take LCM. So right hand side will become a 4 times a raised to the power 4 minus 1 over 4a square. This is equal to 0. Now we write this 0 as a 0 divide 1. So in the next step we cross multiply this. So if we multiply 0 by 4a square we just get a 0. And if we multiply 4 times a raised to the power 4 minus 1 by 1 we just get a 4a raised to the power 4 minus 1. Now add a 1 on both sides, so we get a 1 is equal to 4 times a raised to the power 4. And in the next step divide this equation by 4 on both sides. So this 4 and 4 cancel. We just get a raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 4. And we take a power 1 over 4 on both sides. So this 4 and 4 will cancel. Here just we get a. And we write this 1 over 4 as a 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 over whole raised to the power 1 over 4. In the next step we use this identity which is a over b whole raised to the power n this is equal to a raised to the power n over b raised to the power n. So we apply this property on left hand side, then this will become a 1 whole raised to the power 1 over 4 over 2 raised to the power 2, and its again power is a 1 over 4, and this is equal to a. So 1 raised to the power 1 over 4, this is just equal to 1, and this 2 and will cancel by this 4, we just get a 2, 1 over 2, so we have a 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. This is equal to a. So this implies a is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. So in our question, a is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2, and we put the value of a in this above equation and then find the value of b. So 1 over, this is a 2, and a is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. This is equal to b. So this will become 1 over plus minus, multiply this 2 by 1, we just get a 2 over, and denominator is a square root 2. This is equal to b. Now we simplify this part. So look at this. This is our 2 and its power is 1. And this is a square root 2. So the power of 2 is a 1 over 2. And if we shift this 2 in this nominator, then this is a minus 1 over 2. So take a LCM of this part, then we get a 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. So this implies if we solve this part, then we get 2 raised to the power 1 over 2, and this is equal to square root 2. Implies this whole part is equal to square root 2. So we write this as a 1 over plus minus square root 2. This is equal to b. In our question, a is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2, and b, this is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. We put this value in this equation. So this implies iota square is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2 plus minus 1 over root 2 iota. And this is the answer of our question, and we have done.